Hi there again everyone, Josie here from Life at 50 and Beyond. Thanks for joining me here in my channel. Today I have another Dollar Tree haul for you all. And this haul, just like many of my hauls, are for my future or upcoming DIY projects, whether they are crafting or organization. As you see here in my channel, I utilize mostly Dollar Tree materials to make my projects. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so I've got 4 of this silver finish, or I call them stainless steel finish, paper towel holder. And as I mentioned here in the past, that they also come in the white style. These are just a little bit bigger and a lot sturdier than the white one. The white one is kind of like plasticky, but this one is really durable metal. I picked up 4 of these organizer trays that you can find at the home office or school supply sections. They also come in black. I'll be using this for my next project. Folks or ladies here on YouTube have been hauling this and they like the lemon print, and yeah, I like it too. However, I would need this frame for something else. I don't know yet if I'm going to be removing the lemon or if I'm going to be removing this other one that has a Coffee and Friends sign here. Coffee and Friends make the perfect blend. And then there's a donut here. There's a coffee kettle. So yeah, just watch out. It's going to be in a farmhouse theme. It is going to be versatile, multifunctional. It's decorative as well as functional in the form of an organizer. Another thing here that's also an extra one on a pack of originally 2, they threw in another one, plastic bucket. I think this comes also in the color green if I'm not mistaken, and teal. But whenever I see something that's in white, I go for the white, even though I like the color teal, because white goes with everything. I picked up 2 of these wired baskets, and they come in 3 different shapes and 2 colors. The shapes that they come in are round, which I've used in a couple of my DIYs here, and I'll be linking up the latest one here on the corner card here. And I've also used oblong one. This oblong black one, I've used it in fall to make a lantern. If you're interested, I'll also be linking it here. And they also come in the square or rectangular shape, and this time I needed the oblong. Actually, I prefer a square, but then they're sold out, so I settled with the oblong. I think it's gonna work anyway with the project I'm thinking of. And they come again in the color white and black. I picked up 2 sets of these cooling racks, and these are by Cooking Concepts, and they're in the kitchen aisle. So you will see this is a pack of 2, which is a great deal. Pack of 2 for $1. I'm gonna make an organizer out of this. I also picked up the pizza pans. I got 2 of them. I've used the pizza pan before and I made something unexpected, and I know a lot of comments there on that DIY, which I did last year, and I'm going to be linking it up here. I made a wreath out of the pizza pan, but this time I'm going to be creating something that you can use for your home decor and organization. I got this one as well, and this one I often get it because I like using this as a stand. And this comes, I think, in a silver finish as well. Aside from this gold finish, this display easel also comes in another size, which is a bigger size. So I purchased the silver finish in a bigger size in the past, and I've used it for my daughter's bedroom. Okay, so I got this 3 in a pack for the furniture scratch marker, and this is opened now because I tested the mahogany finish, because our cabinets in our kitchen and also in our bathroom, they're kind of having those scuff marks or scratches, and I do plan to kind of refinish them in the future. However, this did the trick. It's actually very good, because the ones that I usually see there are the lighter shades of brown, creamy taupe, or tan. But this one, they have the black walnut mahogany, and we have also black furnishings that this can be used for, and also walnut. Our dining room table is in walnut, and then the darker ones are our cabinets because they're espresso brown, and this is very close to that. So yeah, I'm so happy with that. Storage containers, this one comes in the flatter size, but I like that this comes in also bigger bottle, and these are 6 in a pack. And I'm gonna be doing something that I hope I can use this for, because I'm gonna create some kind of a facial serum, anti-age serum I can do or make using just some vitamins and also fruits. So hope I could make that, and I'll let you know what happens. Stencil Home Sweet Home, and I created, which I am linking up here again, I created a farmhouse style home decor using 4 5x7 Dollar Tree frames, and I have the Home Sweet Home decals. One of the comments there said that they couldn't find the Home Sweet Home wall decals anymore. So when I saw this, I got excited. So if you couldn't find the decals, you can use this and stencil it on top of the glass itself. So if you need an instruction on that, please comment down below and I will give you a quick tutorial on that so I can show you how to do it. I also got this July 4th, the flag theme napkins. There are 20 luncheon napkins in here, and I'm gonna be using this for a craft project. I also got this. I have 2 here. This comes only in these colors. Unless you've seen it in another color, let me know. This is in the pet section. These are the pet bandanas, and one is in red and white and one is in black and white. So I'm not sure yet if I'm going to be using this for a crafting project. I got this gemstone stickers. I've been looking for this because I know a lot of you out there have been hauling this, and I've been waiting for this to come up at my Dollar Tree. The ones I'm waiting for too are the clear ones, or the ones that look like silver, but this is in pink and I like this too. There's a gold one. I wish there's a silver. I think this is really gold. This is more yellow gold. It's really bright yellow. Then this one is in green or kind of teal in color, and I took 2 for the teal in case I need to create another home decor project that will work well in our home decor. This one actually is a gift bag, and I like it because it has some gold foiling. I've been still waiting or looking for those cards that are gold foils by Jot, and so far our store here in our city doesn't have them, but I'm still on the hunt, and our store is known to receive items late. I like this one because I can use this for a paper project, so watch out for that as well. So that's it, everybody. This is my haul for today, and I hope you're all having a great day. Thanks for joining me here in my channel. If you're new to my channel, please do subscribe, and once you hit the subscribe icon, make sure that you also click the notification bell, the bell icon next to the subscribe icon, so that you will not miss any of my new uploads. I do DIYs here, like I have mentioned, and I do organization DIYs using mostly Dollar Tree materials. I do home decor DIYs also using Dollar Tree or dollar store materials, because sometimes I use also something from the 99-cents only store, Target Dollar Spot, or even Daiso, because that's also Japanese yen or dollar store. And also I do planning DIYs. Also want to ask all of you, new subscribers and old, what other contents you want to see from me, and let me know. Okay, so I hope you enjoy your day, and I'm feeling much better. I know a lot of you have sent me messages and wishing me well when I was, I lost my voice almost, and actually it comes and goes, and it's a little still raspy right now, but I am so happy for all your kindness and for your thoughts and prayers. So I hope to continue to do what I do, because you all inspire me here. So have a great day, everybody. I hope to talk to you again on my next video. Bye bye.